Hey y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you found me here. On my channel, you'll find song tutorials, music theory help, practice exercises, technique, challenges, and lots more. In my song tutorials, I also love to provide different strumming pattern options. So wherever you are with rhythm, you can choose the pattern that fits best for you. Maybe it's a simple one now, and then you can level up to a more complex strumming pattern when you're ready. We also do counting, we talk starting pitch so that you can find your note. We talk about the key of the song. This is so important, and the time signature so that when you are counting, it's easier to know how long you hold a chord. My name is Kathryn. I have my master's degree in music, and I've been playing and teaching ukulele for over 15 years. I also run a music studio where I teach music full-time, kids and adults, and I perform and write my own songs as well. I also play piano and guitar and bass, and I love teaching songwriting. There are a lot of different ukulele teachers out there on the internet, and it's really important that you find a teacher that resonates with you and a teaching style that works well for you. If you're looking for a quick fix or just looking up chords for songs, this might not be the right channel for you. When you learn with me, you're going to learn a strong foundation of rhythm so that strumming patterns become easier and you understand them better. You're also going to learn how to sing while you're strumming. In all of my song tutorials, we have word anchors where I bold the word so you know when I sing this word, I'm playing this chord. So if this sounds like your vibe, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so we can play some music together, get better at the ukulele, and give yourself some creative you time. Also, yes, my channel is called Ukulele Wine Time, but wine is totally not necessary. We're all about the music here, playing songs together. The wine, what it really represents is a time for you to relax, but that could be a cup of your favorite tea. Pour yourself a big glass of water and hydrate while you're learning. Whatever beverage you choose, I just hope that you give yourself some good, relaxing, creative time because you deserve it. Oh, wait, one more thing. I want to show you 3 really cool things people have said about my channel. I love the fact that you teach the ukulele part as well as the singing and the rhythm. Not many ukulele teachers do that. You are very unique in this. I've followed a few different uke tutorial gals, and you absolutely fit my learning style best. Also love how you incorporate theory. Please keep it coming. Almost 52, never played an instrument, and I am having a blast with my 2-week-old Kala and your videos. You are to ukulele what Adrian is to yoga. If you know, you know. Okay, and one bonus one. Once again, my name is Kathryn. Thanks so much for being here. I hope to see you soon for some more music, and cheers. Oh, wait. Cheers. Ukulele wine time.